Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel enriching knowledge. And in this video, we will see how to do C programming, C coding on your smartphone. Yes, you need not to use a computer or a laptop for at least to run C programs. It is very user friendly environment on your smartphone. You can do all these things, especially for coding. Most of the people don't try to start your computer, especially for coding purpose. So if you are using a smartphone for a whole day, then it is very easy to do C programming or coding execution editing on your smartphone. I will tell you the environment where you can run the C programs. Okay, fine. In the last video we have seen how to do web page development on your smartphone. All the programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript can be run, executed, and with the help of that application you can create web pages. I have created that video in the tech video in the playlist, in the tech news playlist of our channel. You can go there and you can visit and view that video. So let's start the web browser. I am using GeoPage. You can also use it. Just in a search box you have to type C compiler, just C compiler or online C compiler. After clicking on search button, you will have a list of 10 websites, and I will use if there are various environments are used, but I am using the second link. Just click on this link and here is the environment. As you can see on the screen, there are two tabs are available. First is main.c, that is the coding programming area where you can see the program and coding, and the other tab is output where you can see the output of program. Now when you will click on output button, there is nothing because you have not run any program yet. So to run any program, here is the button, run button. Just click on the button and see, now is the output hello world because program is of hello world. So now for example I will paste a new program, another program for example. To save our time, I will just copy and paste here. Program related to array and program related to linear search. It is different and it is quite easy to understand also. See here, I have just pasted it, and as you can see here, this is the program of linear search in array element array. So this program is all about the array. As you can see here, the statements are also given. In the first step we will take the entry of size from the user. As you can see here, enter array size. This is the first printf where we are asking user to decide the size of array. Then we will have array elements. We have to scanf array elements from user. Then we have enter the value for searching its location, which value user want to search, its location will be displayed, and finally the location of the array element which you are going to find out. Now okay, fine, after running there is error, so I will also give you example that how we can remove errors also. So here is the error regarding conio.h file. Exactly, yes, we don't need all these both the two header files, so we will remove these header files, then again run. Now here is again we have a error in main and in getch. Let's go to coding area. Here we have to use void before the main, so the problem will be solved, and finally the getch will be removed, so that error also recovered. Now again try to run this program, and yes, here is the program properly running, and it is asking to enter the size of array. Now you can decide which how much the size you want. I will give you an example of 3. So we will have a 3 size array. Yes, now again I want to tell you that it is it depends on your network speed. The program execution speed is also depend on your network speed, so please maintain your network. Now enter array elements. So we have to enter 3 array elements. You can enter into the unsorted manner, so 9, 8 and 7, you can take anything. Now enter the value for searching its location, which value you are searching, and it will display the location of that value. So here we will take 8, and after entering 8, see the result, the location will be shown in the output, in the result. As you can see, it depends on network speed. Yes, here is the location found after linear search is 2, because 8th number element is at second position in the array. So this is the environment where you can run your programs, you can enjoy coding, you can enjoy programming. So just enjoy your coding programming with this environment. You can use another environment also. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment here. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Subscribe and share.